Let's take a look at the table here. And like I said, similar to the other one, again, you get this great knuckle. These are billet aluminum. And this one's a little bit spring-loaded, so it wants to just really put itself into position. Like I said before, there's a little grenade pin at the bottom. You pull that, and it works that mechanism. And it's just simple to set up like that. All right, so the next piece you got is basically going to be the platform from the table. And just pop those together. And then once those are together, you see these little buttons that are on top of the table here. That one sits right on there. That one sits on there. Again, like I said, slap her down, you know, and we're looking at decent, sturdy construction at this point. Next is the table top. And that's going to be real simple. There's no up or down, really. They're kind of the same on both sides. When you fold it up and put it away, it's just straight accordioned. So you just basically stretch it out on there like this. Mountain River is a company that didn't just slap their name on some Chinese products. They're a scratch company with the intentions of helping big cats and people that need, you know, sturdier things, heavy dudes, big guys, people that just like chunky, sturdy equipment.